wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 6 best zoom binoculars. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 6. With a wide 10 to 30 times zoom range, the Olympus Tracker Poro offer a good combination of power and portability, even if their 25mm objective struggles in low light. Their back 4 prisms boast a high enough refractive index to result in an impressive level of clarity. They feature a central dioptric adjustment and weigh less than a pound. However, the eye relief is plastic. At number 5, the compact yet competent Bushnell PowerView 7 to 15 by 25mm are perfect for use at the theatre or at a sporting event, especially if the venue in question has a policy forbidding their use, as these are small enough to hide deep within a bag. They come with a non-slip rubber armoring and fully coated optics, but they are hard to focus in deeper zooms. Coming in at number 4 on our list, the Nikon Compact Aculon make it remarkably easy to switch among their 4 magnification stops of 8, 12, 16 and 24 times. Their 25mm objectives aren't the best for low light applications, but the images in brighter situations are impeccably clear. They're equipped with a smooth central focus knob, eye index prisms and anti-reflective optics. To see all of our choices, go to wiki.ezvid.com and search for zoom binoculars, or click beneath this video. Halfway up our list at number 3, the multi-coated elements and back 4 prisms that refine the image coming into the Bushnell Legacy WP Poro, combined with a 50mm objective for excellent low-light performance within a 10 to 22 times zoom range. Rubberized armor provides durability and grip. They're water and fog-proof with twist-up eye cups and a lifetime warranty. At number 2, the Olympus Trooper 8 to 16 by 40 DPS have a wide enough light gathering area to be effective in relatively dim situations, and their zoom capability is ideal for near to mid-range viewing targets, like performers at a concert or less skittish wildlife. They feature a 10-meter close focus distance, 10 to 12mm eye relief, and camera quality optics. And taking the top spot on our list, few glass producers in the world have as many years refining high-quality optics as the makers of the Nikon 8252 Aculon 8211. Their 50mm multi-coated eco-glass lenses are bright and sharp in the vast majority of situations, all the way through their 10 to 22 times range. They boast fingertip zoom control, turn and slide eye cups, and a durable armored coating. To see all of our choices, go to wiki.ezvid.com and search for zoom binoculars, or click beneath this video.